A 1 minute monster.
Thank you. Your Excellency Vice President Atiku Abubakar, Chairman of the occasion, the celebrants, Mr. Rotimi Amaechi and Mrs. Judith Amaechi. Ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to say that this is protocol. I am not standing behind the podium because I'm too short. You may not see me. So I'm coming out to be seen. First, very happy birthday to my brother. I still call him Governor Rotimi Amaechi, though there has been many things before. I think it's unfair to ask me to speak for what the conspiracies, the successes, and the failures. 1 minute is too short to cover our quarrels, because we quarrel, we make up. The last quarrel we had was when he lost the primaries and left me because I'm supposed to be a magician, and if I supported him, he would have been the winner of the primaries. And many people came to say, your brother is upset with you. I said, I know. Wait, when Nigeria is in bigger trouble, he will come and walk together.
And now we're in bigger trouble.
So here we are back together because Nigeria is in its biggest trouble since 1914. We're together working, conspiring to build a coalition to take Nigeria back on track, because it is off track. I just want to say one thing and then I will take my seat. Many people have spoken about weaponization of poverty and whether politicians are deliberately using poverty as a weapon. I don't think so. Poverty weaponizes itself if allowed to exist and fester. That's what has happened in Nigeria. I don't think politicians are that smart even to sit and weaponize poverty. And for me, having been in private sector and public service, and have been a keen observer of our political deterioration, I believe that the problem that we have, which I think Governor Babangida referred to, is that we just get incompetent people and we hand over leadership to them. They don't know what to do. Most of them don't really know what to do. They just know how to grab power, but don't know what to do with it. And please, I would like to appeal to everyone here to reflect and look around. Wherever you see islands of progress in Nigeria, it is because a competent person has been given the opportunity to serve. I visited Rivers several times when Governor Amaechi was the governor. I could see examples of policies that were addressing the concerns of the people of Rivers State. From schools to primary health centers, hospitals, and so on. It was very clear. He had an opportunity, he knew what to do, and he did it. And wherever you see progress, it is because of that. What we have done in this country is to allow bandits, not the ones in the bushes, the urban bandits, to take over the governments of our country. And I think the key challenge for Nigerians in 2027 It's prudent to look at those that are offering themselves to lead and pick those that have the competence, capability, capacity, and commitment to make Nigeria move forward. And I believe the celebrant, Chief Rotimi Amaechi, is one of the few ones that one can call capable, competent, and committed. Happy birthday, Excellency.
The former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, GCO,